Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to use second space on Redmi 15. To do that, firstly open Settings, scroll down and find Additional Settings. In Additional Settings, scroll down again and find Users. Click on it, click Allow Multiple Users and click Add a user. Click Next. You can add profile photo, you can add a name, for example it could be test user. Click OK. Click on the icon in the right up corner. And now we will switch to test. For example, turn on phone calls and SMS. You can disable phone calls and SMS because you will share the same phone number. But I wanna turn on, switch to user, click setup now, wait a while. Cool. Now you can set up account of this user. So click continue. Wait a while. Okay. Okay, now you can log into your Google account, or you can skip this step if you want. I wanna skip this step because I don't have two different accounts. And now you can set the password. And for example, I wanna set the PIN. Or no, wait, I wanna set the password because I have normal pattern, L pattern on my normal account, but for different account I will use different password. So set account, you can add fingerprint. I don't want that fingerprint, but maybe it's not possible to move it. So sorry to cancel it. Okay, and done. Google services, accept. Next, so this is the just normal setup, Android setup process. Okay, and for example, here on this account I will change the wallpaper just to show you that this is different account. Apply, set as home screen. Okay, cool. And now just let's see. Here on the lock screen I can enter the password. So here, as you can see, the password from different account. So how can I switch between these accounts? How can I switch between them? So I can do it in two ways. I can open settings, scroll down again, click additional settings, then scroll down, find here users, click hard reset owner and click switch to hard reset. In this way I will switch to my default owner's account. But it's even possible using this new created switch widget on our home screen. As you can see here is the switch widget. By clicking on it we can switch to different account. Okay, and now as you can see I am on my primary account. Okay, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. See you. Bye.